This is the wallet I made using this new pattern. It is made with a python leather exterior with turned edges. On the inside, I used a black veg tan kangaroo leather and burnished the edges. Finally, I stitched it together using Chinois Lin Cable 432 linen thread. The main idea of this pattern was to include a closing tab, which would help keep the bifold closed when it is kept in a bag rather than in a pocket. The closing tab is designed basically the same as my previous crocodile zip wallet pattern. On the inside of the pattern, there are 3 card pockets on each side, for a total of 6 cards. And there are also 2 large hidden pockets behind the card pockets, where cash can be folded and stored. The pattern itself is quite simple, with no special hardware required. There are a few additional steps in this pattern, with the stitching on the tab before assembling it, and stitching it to the exterior. There is quite a lot of stitching involved, especially if you stitch the entire border in one go like this. It can be a bit of extra work, but I find makes leather projects look better. If you are interested in this pattern, you can find a link to it in the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.